20 amazing uses of Vaseline that every girl should know. Imagine that you've got one product in your cabinet that can transform your glow game. Whether it's your skin, hair, or even makeup. It's not some overpriced serum. It's Vaseline. Yes, that humble little jar is about to become your new best friend. In today's video, I'm giving you 20 hacks to use Vaseline for the ultimate glow up. So let's get into the video. Dry lips? No problem. Vaseline locks in moisture and keeps your lips fresh and soft. Lip scrub. Mix Vaseline with sugar, and you've got the perfect lip scrub. Smooth hydrated lips in under a minute. Skin glow. Want a natural glow? Use Vaseline on your cheekbones for a glass skin effect. Makeup remover. Forgot to stock up on makeup remover? Don't worry. Vaseline gently removes even waterproof makeup. Overnight face mask. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline at night and wake up hydrated. DIY blush and lip balm. Mix Vaseline with your favorite lipstick. You can use it as a blush or even as a lip balm. Trust me, it blends like a dream. Mascara substitute. Don't want to wear mascara? Swipe a little Vaseline on your lashes for a natural look. Split end smoother. Apply Vaseline to ends of hair to temporarily smooth split ends. Nail polish cleanup. Apply Vaseline around nails before painting. It prevents the nail polish from sticking to the skin. Hand softener. Massage Vaseline into hands and wear gloves overnight for silky skin. Perfume lock. Apply Vaseline on pulse points before spraying. It helps the perfume to last longer. Oil cleansing. Massage your face with Vaseline and then rub it off with a cotton pad. It gently cleanses your skin and gives a fresh look. DIY body scrub. Mix sugar and coffee with Vaseline for a gentle and hydrating exfoliation. Creamy makeup. Combine Vaseline with powdered products like pigments or eyeshadow to make creamy formulas. Makeup primer. Use Vaseline before foundation as a primer. It gives a dewy look. Eyebrow gel. Mix Vaseline with eyeshadow according to your hair color. Add a little hairspray to it and your DIY eyebrow gel is ready. Removes wrinkles. Combine Vaseline with milk and orange juice. Mix it up and apply the mask on wrinkly skin. It will help in reducing the wrinkles on your skin. Nail care. Use Vaseline on cuticles to make them easier to push back. It helps to protect the surrounding skin of your nails. Flyaway tamer. Flyaways and baby hair can ruin a sleek look. A little dab of Vaseline smoothens stray hair. It smooths down hair without stiffness of gel. Removes blackheads. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your face on areas with blackheads. Use a cotton swab to swipe off the blackheads. And there you have it, 20 amazing benefits with just one product. I hope this video was useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you all in the next video.